Hi there, I'm Lynn from Arrow Sewing, and I'm here to show you how to properly lock your Aussie sewing cabinet. The Aussie sewing cabinet comes outfitted with a J-hook in the end of each door. This hook is intended to secure the side leaf during your sewing session, creating extra stability in your workstation. When it's time to wrap up your sewing session and you begin collapsing your Aussie 2, remove the hook from the side leaf and rotate it down to properly lock your cabinet doors. The J-hook is designed to pivot, and you'll want to rotate your J-hook down with the hook facing the edge of the cabinet door. It's that easy. I'm going to go ahead and collapse the rest of my workstation. I'm going to put my machine into storage position, and I'm going to close the side leaf. And you'll see I can properly lock my cabinet because my J-hook is set correctly, down with the hook facing the door's edge. Voila! It's that easy. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing.